Are you tired of struggling to clean your exterior properties? I have the solution for you. Our exterior property soft washing service is eco-friendly and versatile, suitable for cleaning walkways, decks, driveways, roofs, siding, and gutters. With our professional team of cleaners, you'll get a high-quality, efficient job every time. Plus, we are fully licensed for your peace of mind. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your exterior cleaning routine. Contact us today to learn more about our soft washing services and book your appointment.